guys, welcome back to another clean with me video. So in today's video, it's going to be an all day chatty clean with me. Yeah, that means we're going to ramble. I'm going to talk your ears off. So I did some grocery shopping today. I also do laundry later, just pretty much tidying up the house. I took 2 days off from cleaning. I don't know why. I was just being a lazy shit. So I have a lot of stuff to pick up and put away. And yeah, I hope you guys are able to get some cleaning motivation to clean your own homes. And without further ado, let's hop in. So of course, as you most probably know by now, I always like to clean my kitchen first. I don't know, I can't leave it a mess. I need to clean this space first. So the night before we actually had pizza, and that's what you see, that box there. We've actually been fulfilling all of our cravings this past week, which is a good thing and a bad thing. Bad because it's bad for our diet, and yeah, we just been eating like a lot of junk food. So it's so like way overdue to get back on track. But yeah, I just did my usual grocery shopping at Aldi. I just go there to get mainly vegetables and maybe a few dairy things, just because it's so much cheaper than a lot of the other stores. So that's what I did today. This is actually just a little bit of a refreshing kind of thing. These are the things that I was out of. Usually it's a little bit more than what you see here on the counter. So this week I actually wanted to make guac, so I got a lot of avocados because they were like 49 cents. So I got some of those. I wanted to make pico de gallo as well, so I also got some chips. I don't know, I just wanted some snacking things that weren't necessarily too unhealthy. But yeah, I'm just pretty much putting everything away. I actually need to do a pantry clean and organize kind of thing, or declutter. If you guys want to see that, hit that like button, or just let me know in the comments. I feel a little hesitant to make certain videos because I don't know what you guys like watching. So it's always helpful if you guys mention, hey, maybe this video, and if so, I will make it. I think it was a good thing I went back in the fridge because I realized I left my yogurt on top of it. Oh my gosh. So forgetful, I swear. So lately I've been trying to think of what colors would really bring out the countertop because everything is so dark. I need some help, you guys. I feel like it's just so So yeah, I've been really trying to bring some color or something to make it less dark because the granite is dark and then the backsplash, and I feel like it's just, I don't know, it needs something, okay? I feel like it needs something in here to lighten it. So anyways, I'm getting off topic. I told you guys I was going to talk your ear off. So the past couple of days was pretty all over the place with my cleaning. I just kind of vegged out and I needed to unload the dishwasher because I didn't the following day or the previous day. So I'm doing that now and just filling it up with the dirty dishes that are overflowing my sink. So I actually just got this scent from Mrs. Meyers in the dish soap. I think it's honeysuckle or something. I have been so hooked on these products, like for real. I love them. They just make my house smell so good. Now I was actually using the radish scent, but I noticed that when I bought it one time, I only got one, which I kind of wish I would have got more because when I went back, both of my Targets didn't have it, like not even a sticker for it on the shelf as if it was out of stock. So I don't know, I don't think that was a seasonal scent, but it's probably my favorite scent, and I'm so sad because I'm out of it and it just smelled amazing. And I just wanted also the counter multi-surface cleaner too in that scent, but they don't have it, you guys. I'm so sad about it. So when it comes to my kitchen sink, I do scrub it like this, but I will usually put some baking soda and let it sit for like 15 minutes, and then I will go in and scrub the stainless steel down, and that way it just keeps it shiny and less like dirty looking. I didn't do that on this day. So it actually started pouring down rain, so it went from sunny to cloudy here in Georgia. You gotta love the weather, right? So that is why the light changed. It's been pouring all week, and my dog has been having the shakes because she hates it, and it's been like thunderstorming, and that shit wakes me up. Like, I wake up to a thunder noise. My husband is like knocked out, but my ass wakes up and I'm like, fudge, this sucks. So I'm just putting away these dishes, obviously, because I don't really like leaving the dishes out on the counter anymore. Unless I'm being a lazy shit, I will just leave it. But this mat needed to be cleaned, so that is why I took it out. So I went in with my basil scent from Mrs. Meyers and just wiped down the counters because, you know, this is my favorite part of cleaning the kitchen. I like wiping down the counters. I will actually go in with water and go over it between each time I use the surface cleaner, just because I found that my counter will get like this buildup, you know, like stickiness feeling. So I will, in between, go over it with some water after, or just water instead of the cleaner, just because it does build up on your counters, and I've noticed that when sitting at my countertop. So that is something to keep in mind. I just gave this area a wipe down. It wasn't too dirty, but it just needed a little bit of cleaning. The fun part, now onto the boxes. Now, my husband was actually going to move these into the garage, but because I told him that I was going to do a cleaning video, he figured that he would just leave them here for me to add to the video. Now, he's like, I'm helping you out here. And I was like, yeah, you're helping yourself out, but thanks. It's kind of like a mutual thing. Like, he could have did it, but he's helping me. But, you know, it was funny because that was just like a super easy way for him to get out of like moving it. But anyways, I'm just breaking these things down. We did order some towels finally. So excited. Like, my husband has been hearing me complain about not having new towels forever. And I think in my last video I had just mentioned to you guys that I really want new towels, and we ordered some off of Amazon because they were having a sale. I think I'll listen down below. I don't know if the sale's still going, but they are amazing, you guys. So moving over to the console table, this is actually going to be moved hopefully in the near future. I hate that it's here because it blocks this walkway as well as those end tables that I've shown you guys. I just want all of those gone because it's such a small space that I feel like these furniture pieces make it that much smaller. So I'm hoping to move that console table up into my bedroom and kind of put the TV on it. My husband thinks that will look like crap, but I disagree. What do you guys think? But yeah, I'm just gonna pick up this couch area. I want a couch. Oh my gosh, I already know. We already have one in mind that we want, and I think we're looking to get it at the end of this year, maybe the beginning of next. Fingers crossed. Okay, so I actually got some plants. I have about 4 real house plants. I made sure that these were all dog friendly. I didn't realize how much goes into having house plants. I'm still learning. So this is my Majesty palm, and I'm just giving it a spritz. It says it helps with keeping spider mites away, and yeah, that's what I do, I think every other day or something. And then I also got a spider plant, which I learned that these are actually good for the air, like helping with the bacteria or whatever, like in the air. It's like cleans the air, and they're actually really pretty and very low maintenance. So I got one of those and I've been loving it, but I don't think it's really thriving. I don't know, we'll see. And that is pretty much it for the downstairs. I decided to hold off on mopping till tomorrow. This little quote I wrote, I love it. And then of course I had to show Munchie. So making my way upstairs, I decided to make my bed because with our schedules, my husband's up. I think he was at the gym or something, I don't know. So I decided to make it because why not, you guys? I love a made bed. So yeah, I am wanting to get a new bedding set. I'm thinking of getting a all white bedding set, hopefully. I originally wanted a quilt, but my husband wasn't for it because it wasn't all natural. Those throw pillows I actually made covers for. Very crafty. Okay, so the towels, here they are. Do my happy dance. Oh yeah. So we got about 10 towels. We got 4 of these brown ones, which are bath sheets. These things are so freaking heavy and they overlap around your body. It's just like crazy how huge they are. I love them, but I used one recently and I'm like, I can't wrap my hair in this. So yeah, these white and teal ones are a little bit smaller, but they still cover around your whole body, which I like. But overall, I like them. I'm happy with the colors that we chose. I really like the white and teal ones the most. But I am so happy to have new towels and just more towels. I mean, it was just annoying not to have the extra. So like I said, I'm going to link these down below. I don't know if they're still on sale, but I will still link them for you guys. So moving on to the bathroom, we are almost done with this video. God, that went by so fast, I swear. So I'm going to be putting away the towels. I actually had to make room for these, which meant me taking everything out of the closet and putting these in. And these took up about 2 shelves. So right now my bathroom is chaotic. So I was thinking of filming a declutter and organize like my bathroom. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see that type of video and I will make it. So almost done here, you guys. Finishing up, I'm doing the laundry. I'm putting away my husband's clothes and then I usually move on to my side. And yeah, he came in to bother me a little bit. But I usually start with his because he likes his clothes folded, as compared to me. I like mine all hung up because it's just so much easier to put them away when you hang them rather than just folding them all. So that is what I'm doing. Another thing I'm going to mention, I actually had to go clothes shopping. This is one of the new items that I got that I'm wearing. Oh, it was so awesome, you guys. I haven't had new clothing in a while. This is them. Just a sneak peek. I don't know if you guys would like to see a haul, but I got quite a bit of stuff from Target and it was awesome. Oh, I was so happy with being able to shop because I haven't shopped in forever, I swear. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys found some cleaning motivation and enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, join the fam, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!